guys, I received my order in AliExpress. I found this new model of spot welding. I believe this is the best spot welding in the market today, current version 2021. And the reason why I like this because the manufacturer increased the thickness of the traces. Like that, the input and the output, the negative and also the positive. But I have a doubt because the thickness of the trees until here, and what will happen here in this area once the current flow to this area definitely create a heat due to a large current flow to this area, and for that reason the overheating affected the performance of the MOSFET. You can get the good performance to the MOSFET at 40 Celsius of the MOSFET, 30 to 40 Celsius. If you exceed that, the current flow will reduce. The reason that the MOSFET blown due to the overheating, or just because of the resistor. Because the resistor control the gate voltage. If this resistor failed to control, so there's a big chances that your MOSFET blown up, because the current flow, there's no limit of current flow to the source headed to the drain. That's why resistor one of the most important in this circuit. And now I'm gonna try this today, hoping that this spot welding can work from 0.1 up to 0.15 mm nickel strip. That's what the seller promised, and this spot welding provide 8 gear. So let's have a try today, guys.
Check it out.
This 0.124, so it's 0.12. Let's start at 0.12. What will happen? You need to change the gear. That's gear 1. We don't need to count because there's an LCD provided from the manufacturer. Let's see what happened, guys. Oh, good spot. Pressure is now. Oh, good. Look at that. Get a hole, guys. Report up. So 0.15 gear 1, 0.12 gear 1. Well, firmly. So let's move it to the what I have a calibrate again. 0 and it's 0. What number is this? Uh, 0.2. Let's start 0.2 again. 0.2 Q1. Let's see if this thing's could weld 0.2. Oh, wow. Well, clearly, it's clearly well. Only gear 1, but the strong of weld's not enough to hold the battery. But we still have a lot of chances. This is gear 8, gear 2. Oh, wow. The current increased gradually. This is gear 2, guys. Gear 2 is not really enough also. Not strong enough. Try again, another. 0.6, 0.6, 0.2, 206, 0.26. So that's 26. That's a gear 3. That's a gear 3, guys. Oh, gear 3. This is gear 3. 2 spot. Oh, good enough. Gear 3. Oh, I cannot fold it over. Look at that. It leaves. It makes a hole if you post it. It fold it over forcefully. Our gear 3 is enough for 0.2. Wow, surprise. Look at that. It leaves. I broke the neck strip. This is 0.2. 0.2 is only gear 3. Yeah, so this is the best. So let's try another thickness. Calibrate to 0. Yeah, it is 0. Be sure. Oh, 0. Almost 350, almost 0.4. So gear 3. This is gear 3, guys. Then I'm using 0.3. Let's draw. Hope it will work. No. Shoes. The spark shoes large screen drop. Oh, wow. But did not stick. Didn't stick. Didn't weld. Gear 4. This is gear 4, guys. We don't need to worry. We still have a lot of chances, heap of chances, because this spark welding provide 8 gear. Oh, gear 4. Let's try again. Gear 4. Oh, not enough. Let's cut this one. the gear 4. Let's try gear 5. 0.3. Oh, gear 5. The spark shows large current drop. Look at that. Oh, look at the spot mark, guys. Hope it will band firmly. Not really good enough. Not enough to hold. So let's try gear 6. Gear 6. Oh, this gear 6, guys. Not really enough also. Not strong enough. Let's get again. This is gear 6. 7. Oh, gear 7. The spark shows large current drop. Oh, look at that. Look at the marks, guys. Look at the spot mark. Hope it will band strongly. Ah, nothing. Gear 8. This is the gear 8. Oh, strong car. Look at that, a gear 8, guys. Look at every spot mark. That's right. Oh, bit stronger than the previous one, gear 7. So that means this spot welding cannot weld 0.3, you know, cannot weld firmly at 0.3. Yeah, not strong enough. So, but this is good because this spot welding can weld the 0.2. That's 0.2. Can move money more. 0.2 gear 8. Let's see what happened. What is the changes? Good performance. 0.2. So this spot welding can weld 0.2, but I believe that this spot welding can weld 0.3. All I need to do is just to increase the thickness. Yeah, this is it. It cannot fold it over. Cannot. This spot welding cannot weld 0.2. Sorry, 0.3. Oh, I feel that the spot welding, it's a bit warm, but you know, I believe these guys, but I believe that this spot welding can weld 0.3. All I need to do is just to increase the thickness of the traces. Let's start again, guys. Let's start again. Let's go directly to the 0.3. Calibrate again, put into 0. Sure, let's start directly to the 0.3 because we're aiming the 0.3. Right, 0.3. Let's start, guys. It's 0.3. Let's go directly and gear it. Let's try 4. That's careful, guys. You see that? Well, 5. Then well, gear 5. 6. Oh, look at that spark. Gear 6. That really changed, guys. Gear 7. Oh, spark. Oh, this time gear 7. Whoa. Nah, look at that. Gear 7. Gear 8. Let's try gear 8. The last gear. Look at that, guys. The G5. Look at the changes, guys. Look at the changes, guys. Hey, look at the changes. Just a little bit changes. Shh. Look at, guys, the changes. Create a hole. Too much current. You know? Gear 8 could weld. After improvising the thickness, look at that, guys. Oh wow, let's try this one. Look at the spark mark. Guys. Okay. Yeah. Let's measure this one. 0.3. That. Put that after the another one. Another. This is a Yoda. It's 0.3, right? Well, this is from AliExpress. 1 kilo. That before I do weld, I need to check first the thickness to confirm that this is 0.3. I need to press down. That's it. There's a sound. It's not 0. 0.3. I cannot move anymore. 0.325. So let's start in this area. Let's go to grade 8. 1, 2. This is grade 7. That's gear 7, guys. Oh. Added changes after improvising it. At gear 7 it's enough to weld. Nah, oh, fuck that. It's hot, it's enough. Not to weld that. Let's continue. Yeah, I only use gear 7. Let's try again gear 7. Guys, that's only grade 7. Grade holes. See that? Your holes. What about grade 8? Oh, look at that, guys. This is scary, the maximum level. I can feel it all. Hard. Need to apply all your force. Oh, that is it, guys. Create a hole after increasing the thickness, you know. How many holes did you see? How many holes? How many holes that you see? Now this is the best Guys, my advice is to buy this one. Buy the spot welding. It's only about $12 in AliExpress, and then increase the thickness at the back. Then if you have the if you can increase this one, the connection, it's better. That's better. So my plan is to increase this one, all this one. Now it worked firmly. Good. Now see you guys in my next video. If you like my video, please subscribe, press the button for subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, guys.